What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable your online status on Reddit. And basically what this is going to do for you is any other account that's on Reddit will not be able to see when you're online. But by default, it's selected to do this so that if you're logged into Reddit, all the other accounts, if they go to your profile, they will see that you are online. But with this tutorial, you could just disable that and they'll never know when you're online or offline. So when you're at this screen here on the home page, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner. And then you could see on this screen here where your username is at and then your profile picture. Right below that, there is a little button there that says online status on or off. And I had mine off by default. And you could see there that when you hit that button, it turns to off online status off. And if you had it on green, then you will see that it is online status on, and people can see when you're online your profile. But I just keep mine off. I don't really want someone looking at my profile, and it's just a feature that Reddit added that's kind of annoying and enabled by default. But with this tutorial, you could just disable it like that. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you had any questions or were confused on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.